In complex, large-scale manufacturing and assembly operations, Process Monitor from Ubisense provides complete, automated, end-to-end visibility of every stage of production. A digital twin of the entire facility is created in software, from fuselage assembly and nose production through to engine equipping, wing production, and final assembly. The real-time location and movement of aircraft assemblies, tooling, kits, and parts are tracked using high-performance ultra-wideband technology. Three-dimensional digital spaces are defined for individual workstations. As assemblies move into and out of these spaces, important location events are recorded and can be used as a trigger to update business systems, people, or machine controls. Process Monitor from Ubisense combines location data with information from existing systems of record to provide a complete, real-time view of the entire facility, including key production stages and the status of all work in progress. Users can filter by serial number and check all assembly streams are synchronized, ready for the next stage of production. Any assembly falling behind schedule is automatically flagged, with more detail available to investigate the cause of delay and likely upstream or downstream impacts to production schedules. Performance against plan, overrunning tasks, and assemblies queuing for the workstation are visible from one screen across multiple platforms, enabling users to make informed decisions such as rerouting work or reassigning resources. Configurable dashboards make it easy to track the KPIs that matter, while historical and real-time reports enable users to analyze the flow of objects to optimize any monitored process. Process Monitor from Ubisense, increasing visibility and streamlining operations. Visit ubisense.com for more information.